Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Deel for International Contractor 1099's beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Deel for International Contractor 1099's, start by visiting the Deel website. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. After filling in your email and password, click on Create Account. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Deel. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Deel website and log in using your email and password. You will be taken to your dashboard, where you can start the registration process. Look for the option to add a new contractor to your account. Fill in the required details about the contractor, including their full name and email address. Select the country where the contractor is based, as this determines the tax forms needed. Next, choose the type of contract you would like to create. On the following screen, you'll find options to specify the payment terms and rates. Fill in the payment details, including currency and payment frequency. Once all details are filled out, review the terms and conditions carefully. Accept the terms to proceed with the registration process. Deel will then generate a contract for your review. Make sure to check all the details in the contract for accuracy. If everything looks good, sign the contract electronically. After signing, Deel will send a copy of the contract to the contractor's email for their signature. Once both parties have signed, the contract is officially active. Now, you will need to set up the necessary tax forms. Deel may prompt you to complete a W-9 form if you are in the US. Fill out the form accurately, ensuring all information matches your records. Submit the completed tax forms through the Deel platform. After submission, Deel will review your documents for compliance. You will receive notifications of any updates or issues that require your attention. Once everything is approved, you can start making payments to your contractor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.